This is a mahogany writing slope that came in through a little bit of work. There's still a lot of other things that should be done to it, but all I've done is repair this edge here, which had broken. So what the problem was, you've got this central panel with a cleat on either end, and this panel had shrunk and it no longer reached for these little clips, and there's a gap there, and this veneer had broken through. It shrank more that side, very little this side. I think it was sat on a radiator or something. So I had to splice a new piece in there, re-veneer the top and polish it, and put little grooves in for these little catches. Now these really should be leather with a bit of gold tooling around the edge, but like I say, I'm not doing anything else to this. And there's a few bits missing on the top here. So this centrepiece should have a curved block of wood in to keep your pencils in. You'd push it down one side, lift it up to get underneath. That should have a little lid on it, and these end ones would have had jars for ink. And inside you've got a little ridge there, so I assume there was a board across there which you would take out and keep things underneath. And here the 3 drawers are missing. There's a little brass catch there. You'd have a piece of wood that comes in, there's a groove this side, it'd have a spring on it, you'd push that in and it'd have a bit of brass that would click onto that catch, and to release it you just press the base and it just goes down just enough to release it. That would pop off and you get to your secret drawers behind. So there's the little groove where the edge of the board would sit, so it would slide into there, and you'd push the other end in, it would click onto that little catch there. Like I say, you just push the base down a little bit, you can just see it moves. And this is where your 3 secret drawers would go. Whether there was something underneath there as well, I don't know. This catch had actually bent because someone had left it like that and tried to force the top down. So I had to take that out and straighten it. And this is quite typical. They have this little brass insert here, which is just a piece of brass tubing cut in half, and that's just to clear the hinge when these are open. So when it's working properly, it's not too good with this bit of felt on. And that folds over, it sits on the knuckle of the hinge. The other one is supposed to do the same thing, but it's just not very well put together with this base. It really needs a proper piece of leather putting on. Actually, these aren't a tube, they're a square block with a hole drilled in the middle that's been cut in half, and it's just been let in with a square recess. But at least the lock works. It's got a key. Some of these had a drawer in the side there, which was held shut with a pin that went down at the edge. So the only way you could open it was to open it up and take the pin out to release the drawer. So you need the key to get into it. So everything was locked up. Just try a little bit of reviver just to get rid of these look like watermarks.